Welcome to Tiffany's, where we are creating beautiful moments for our family and friends to enjoy. And boy, oh boy, do I have a fun one for you guys. I created this awesome 4th of July balloon wall for our neighborhood celebration. I actually did the parade for the kids, and then our parade ended here at my balloon wall. So I'm super excited to show this to you. If you're interested in seeing how I built this wall, stick around. This video is for you.
This is part 2. I am now about to start my columns for my 4th of July wall. So first of all, this is my first experience with Qualitex balloons, and let me tell you, they feel so smooth and silky and thick. It sounds weird, but working with, Party City balloons are okay, Dollar Tree balloons, things like that, they feel completely different. You can tell the difference in the quality by the way, by the touch of it. So okay, so far this is what I have. I am going to really attempt to create a wall on my stand. I need to see how tall I need to make these pieces because I'm going to create columns. This is what I have so far. I have 19 rows. Okay, so I'm going to build across. I probably need 3 more, and then I will connect them all horizontally, and then I will fill in the top and the frame. But all of that's not going to happen until I get on location. Right now, what I'm going to do is just create my columns. And then I am going to have extra balloons blown up in bags. Probably gonna have to make several trips. So what do you guys think so far? Is it looking pretty good? This is the first real pattern that I've created. I think I might do like one more in this exact pattern and then create another pattern with the last 2. Okay, it's 5:06 in the morning. Why? Anyways, so here is the setup. So look. I don't want to push it all in there right now. It will fit. I just don't want to do it right now. I will wait. But the logic behind this pattern is because I have this, and since the letters are red and blue, I figure I would place them on the white for contrast, instead of making everything red, white, and blue, and then maybe these letters fading, the red letters being up against the red balloons. Same thing with the blue. I chose to put white up here so I can, when I hang this up, you will be able to see it clearly. I'm liking it so far. I'm excited about it. I don't know if we have an outlet up there. So I am going to take as many balloons as I can and bag them up. I love these bags. They have handles on them. Came in handy when I was working on my first event and it was windy outside. I was able to hook the handle. They had like some coat hangers in a garage, and I was able to hook this onto the coat hanger, and it kept the bags from blowing away. Also, this is very thick, it's really big, and it keeps the balloons from oxidizing and popping. That's, I think, a 44 gallon, but I think they have bigger ones. I have to go check and see. That's a construction trash bag, so if you guys want to get that, tell me what you guys think so far at this stage of the video. Hit the like button if you like this. Did I do good, guys? This is my first balloon wall, and I'm excited to see it come together. Oh yeah. Hopefully I'll have time to blow some up to wrap on their wrists and stuff later. Okay. That'd be nice if I have time, because I'm doing the parade, so I don't know. I'm trying to have as many balloons for the parade as possible. Hold on to this storm, 'cause I need to. So This is the perfect spot because it helped to protect the balloons from the sun and heat a little bit. So creating stability is going to be tricky because the ground is not level, so I'm going to have to change the setting on my stand. How can I let you go? Well, I should have secured it first. That answers that question. So I'm happy you got to me before I set up. Things like this you got to prepare for. I have to move because they have a balloon twister coming right here. So I have to move the car, moving all my stuff over to my option 2, which is the gate. Oh my gosh. Stuff that you don't plan for. That's why you have to give yourself as much time as possible. And the stand falling over and things that you just time that does not factor into actual installation. Crazy. So I'm setting up right here, so I guess people are gonna have to walk the hill. So I gotta go get the stand, then I'll be ready. So I've already lost the balloon. I had to lay a blanket down. So thank God I had that big blanket up there.
So I'm just adding the 4 individual columns. Thanks to my little girl for helping me out. She was so sweet. I really appreciate her. So anyways, I'm going to connect these to the pole to secure them and then connect them to one another. And then I also connected the frame to the back of the fence as well. And it all just turned out great, you guys. I was super excited to see it come to life here. I did have to blow up extra balloons on site. There was an outlet up there, thank God. But yeah, there were a lot of gaps in here. I widened this frame a little bit more than I did last night. So I created more gaps in here, which created more work for myself. So I had to add all of these extra balloons, but it was perfect. I'm happy I widened it because we needed it. Everybody had a blast taking family pictures and video, and it made my heart happy just seeing everyone creating memories with their families. So another beautiful moment for the books.
There it is. I don't have the extra P, and it literally was not even in a pack. Seriously. People get the point though. How did I do, everybody? Happy 4th of July.